Hey paisans, how you doing today? Welcome to the Italian Guys Food Tour. Today we have something special for you. It's not another burger. It's not a slice of pizza. It's not even some great lasagna from some fancy Italian restaurant. Today, the Italian guy goes back to the archives when I was a little bambino. Okay? Pulling out some stuff. I was in the store and I found some snacks that I couldn't believe I found. I've always wanted to taste them, and finally, eons and years later, I have the opportunity to bring you, if you can remember, and all the people out there who are my age are going to remember when I bring out this product. Okay, are you ready? Okay, I have Scooby Snacks. Gotta love it, baby. Scooby Snacks. Let's see. Ruh-roh. They are baked graham cracker snacks. Cinnamon Scooby Snacks. Now I wonder if the real Scooby Snacks, yes, I know it's a cartoon. I wonder if they tasted like cinnamon. We're going to find out today. And, okay, Scooby Snacks. Smells like skin of cinnamon. Says Scooby on it. Regular cracker. Little dog bone. I tell you, I found this in the cookie aisle. To be honest, if I did a double take because I had to check and see what aisle I was in. I wasn't sure if this was a dog treat or a real people cookie. I guess it could go either way. I don't know. But it was in the cookie aisle, so I'm assuming it's for us people. Anyways, Scooby Snack. We're going to try one. So, taste the cinnamon. It tastes like a graham cracker cookie, or a graham cracker, or whatever you want. A cinnamon graham cracker. You know, I guess they could be their Scooby Snacks. They could be dog treats too. I'm assuming your dog would love these. So, first of all, cinnamon, made with whole grain, so it's healthy. Just baked graham cracker snacks with Scooby on it. So, to me, they're Scooby Snacks. I'm not sure if they had a product like this a while ago, but anyways, I have never seen a Scooby Snack in real stores. I might be missing them, but anyways, I'm gonna try another one because they're that good. I love how it says Scooby right there on it. That's kind of cool. Definitely taste the graham cracker. It's a regular gimmick, you know, by Kellogg's Scooby Snacks. But hey, it's got Scooby-Doo on it. I love watching that cartoon as a little guy. So, and for you guys and gals out there, you probably remember all the good stuff about that too. I was glued to the TV like nothing. It was great. Scooby snack, baby. Manja. Eat up them Scooby snacks. Who knows how long they're going to be around. Stock up on them. So, Scooby Snacks gets a thumbs up from the Italian guy. I might just go watch some TV right now with a big bowl of Scooby Snacks. And what would go good with Scooby Snacks? Maybe chocolate milk. Not a bad idea. Anyways, I see what's in my future. A bowl of Scooby Snacks and some chocolate milk. Who's chocolate milk? I don't know. But anyways, thanks for watching this video. Just a fun little product that I wanted to bring you guys. Something different. You know, got to keep it lively and different. Okay? Thanks, guys. Until next time, manja. Eat up, baby.